Welcome back to InfiGyan friends. In today's video, we have one very interesting question from trigonometry. We have to solve the equation sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x, where x lies in the interval 0 to 2 pi. I will share the graphical conclusions at last. We will see the graph part also. So let's get started by writing our equation. Sin 3x plus sin x plus sin 2x. Similarly, RHS also cos 3x plus cos x plus cos 2x. Now I want to use sin CD formula, cos CD formula. So let me write here sin C plus sin D. And for RHS, cos C plus cos D. Let's write the formula first. So 2 sin C plus D over 2 cos C minus D over 2. And for cos C plus cos D, it is 2 cos C plus D over 2 cos C minus D over 2. Let's apply. So I will be writing 2 sin 3x plus x over 2 cos 3x minus x over 2 plus sin 2x equal to 2 cos 3x plus x over 2 times cos 3x minus x over 2 plus cos 2x. Now I can simplify 2 sin 4x over 2, 2x, 3x minus x, 2x over 2, so cos x plus sin 2x equal to 2 cos 2x cos x plus cos 2x. Now cos 2x in RHS, it is common. And sin 2x from LHS, this will be common. So let us take common. Sin 2x in bracket 2 cos x plus 1. Right hand side cos 2x is common. So in bracket 2 cos x plus 1. Take all the terms to LHS. So I can write sin x in bracket 2 cos x plus 1 minus cos 2x in bracket 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. Now I can take 2 cos x plus 1 common. So in bracket it will be sin 2x minus cosine 2x equal to 0. So from this equation we can conclude either 2 cos x plus 1 will be 0 or sin 2x minus cos 2x equal to 0. So we have to solve these two equations. If I will simplify a bit, then I can write here 2 cos x equal to negative 1, cos x equal to negative half. This is our first equation we will call. And from second equation I can write sin 2x equal to cos 2x. Divide both sides by cos 2x. So I can write tan 2x equal to 1. We have to solve these two equations. Let us take one by one. Let us take tan 2x equal to 1 first. So I can write first the general formula. So if tan theta equal to tan alpha. Then general formula is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to integer. So from our equation, I can write tan 2x equal to tan pi by 4. So using general formula, 2x will be equal to n pi plus pi by 4. And if I will divide this equation by 2, then it will be n pi over 2 plus pi over 8, where n belongs to integer. Now I can write here, it would be 4n pi over 8 plus pi over 8. Or I can write pi over 8 common, 4n plus 1. Now if I will plug in here n 0, then we will get pi over 8. If I will apply n equal to 1, then it will be 5 pi over 8, which will be in the interval 0 to 2 pi. N equal to 2, then I can write 9 pi over 8. N equal to 3, then I can write 13 pi over 8. And when I will put n equal to 4, it will give us 17 pi over 8, which is more than 2 pi. So these 4 solutions we will get. We will cross check using graph also. Now the turn of second equation, cos x equal to negative half. Now first I will write the general formula. If cos theta equal to cos alpha, then I can write theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. This is general formula where n belongs to integer. So from our equation we can write cos x equal to, this is cos 2 pi over 3. So in place of theta it is x. So let's apply. X will be equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi over 3. Our x lies in the interval 0 excluded to 2 pi included. Now I will plug in two values only, n equal to 0 and with positive sign. So I will get x equal to 0 plus minus 2 pi over 3. So we will reject this minus as our interval is 0 to 2 pi. So from here I will write only 2 pi over 3, which is in the interval. And once I will plug in n equal to 1, x equal to 2 pi, and in between sign I will take minus 2 pi over 3. So this will give us 4 pi over 3. Apart from these values, if I will apply n equal to 2, it will beyond this interval. So only two solutions will be here. Let's cross verify through graph. See, this is the graph of cos x and y equal to negative half, which is this blue color line. This is negative half. This is x equal to 0 and this point is x is equal to 2 pi. So we have to find intersections. So only two intersections. One is here, second one is here, which we calculated 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. Now come to tan 2x equal to 1 graph. So this is the graph of tan x. This is x 0, pi by 2. This is 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and here I can write 4 pi over 2. That means 2 pi. Now this line is y equal to 1 line or 1 constant line, you can see. Now once I will draw the line, it will intersect tan 2x graph at 4 points. See the value, It is pi over 8, 5 pi over 8, 9 pi over 8 and 13 pi over 8. So this is how we can cross-check using Desmos also, using technology. So let me conclude our final answer. X equal to, I will write 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, pi over 8, 5 pi over 8, 9 pi over 8, 13 pi over 8. Overall, 6 solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.